Hi friends, I'm Dahlia. Welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to simple and healthy home-style cooking. Today I would like to share my top 10 tips on how to keep your refrigerator clean and organized. Refrigerator has become part of everyone's life. There is not a single house these days without a fridge. Keeping the fridge organized is very important to save space and time. It is a good idea to clean and arrange the full refrigerator once in 2 weeks or at least once in a month. Make it part of your regular household cleaning routine. First step is to take out every single item from the fridge, check for its expiry dates, and discard items that are out of date or spoiled. There will also be items which you may not likely use in the near future. You may just donate it or discard it. Doing this will not only keep it clean but also make it easier for you to know what you have and what you still need to buy. The next step is to clean your fridge and freezer at least once in a month to remove drips, stains, etc. I use a solution made of warm water and vinegar to clean my fridge. Dip a clean cloth in this solution and clean your entire fridge. Once you're done, you can wipe it again using a dry cloth. I also wash all the internal baskets and shelves using regular tap water. I then let it fan dry. Once you're done with cleaning the fridge, the third step is to plan how to organize all the items in the fridge by size. Some shelves are bigger while some are smaller. Plan and create a function for each and every shelf so that it is easier to locate even small items. Once you know in which shelf the item goes, you need to set a specific place for it. Frankly speaking, most of us keep buying the same things over and over again. So if we have a set place, it is easier in the long run. I will show how I have arranged in my fridge in a separate video. Buy some adjustable shelves, baskets, divided boxes, drawers, etc. which can be easily found in supermarkets or online. These are really helpful to arrange even small items in the fridge, also to reach out to them till the end of the shelf. The sixth step is to put shelf liners, mats or just plastic wrap if you want to make cleanup easier. You just have to remove the liners and clean them. The seventh tip is about arranging. When you arrange, keep most often used items in front for easy access to the entire family. For example, pre-washed fruits, vegetables and nuts can be kept within the reach so that it is convenient to grab a healthy snack anytime. The next tip is to label the baskets before storing them. This way, anyone who uses your fridge will be able to know what is kept where. Also, note down the expiry dates of the items in some convenient place so that you finish them on time. Keep a box of baking soda or a slice of lime or a cotton ball soaked in vanilla extract in some corner of the fridge to keep the fridge smelling fresher. Finally, as and when you finish the items, make a note of it in a magnetic whiteboard that you can put it on the fridge or make an online list or simply just take a picture of your fridge before you go shopping. I hope you like these tips. Doing this regularly will not only give you more space in your refrigerator but also helps you keep your edible items fresh and also avoid wastage. For detailed step-by-step instruction, visit my website simpleindianrecipes.com. If you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your family and friends. Also join us in our other social networks like Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. See you again with some more interesting recipes. Until then, bye-bye.